How to fix Instagram message status fail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you how you can fix the message status fail on Instagram. Before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first thing first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated it, sometimes what happens is that whenever you open up the Instagram app on your phone, it could simply give you an error which says message status failed or just some kind of general issues as such. Well, there is hopefully a couple of ways on how you can fix that. The very first reason why this happens is because Instagram is trying to block your IP address from accessing the web server. It could be because your account got banned, or maybe you did some spammy activities and now Instagram just did some kind of restrictions on your account. But if that's not the case, and hopefully there are a couple of solutions which we can do. The very first thing, as I said earlier, is to simply check for updates. So you want to go ahead and then open up your Play Store, and in the search box you want to go ahead and then type in Instagram. So let me just go ahead and then type in Instagram, and if you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, instead of the open button, you want to make sure to actually update it to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, and if that fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine. But if it doesn't, then we're moving on to the second solution, and that is that instead of using your Wi-Fi, I would recommend you to switch to cellular data. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and then simply switch to mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, then turn off your mobile data and then you can go ahead and switch to Wi-Fi. Do anything if you're using, just do the vice versa or the opposite of what you're actually using. What this does is that it is most likely going to refresh your IP address from a new one if you're using cellular, and the Wi-Fi's IP address is going to be different, and just like that for the cellular data case as well. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. If last but not the least, then what I would recommend you to do is to simply try to use the Instagram Lite version of the application. So instead of using the Instagram app by default, you can use your web version if you're on iOS, or you can use the Lite version of Instagram if you're using the Instagram version on Android. So since in iOS device there is no Lite version of Instagram app available, so I would recommend you to go ahead and use it on the web version, and hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.